In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Hellofresh promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Hellofresh promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different types of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this $25 discount on your next order, all you need to do is tap on this promotion right here, and this is your promo code. You can copy the promo code from here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that $25 discount. So also going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailminnow.com, and right here we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, we have this one right here with $25 discount. All you have to do is tap on this promotion, and right here you can copy this promo code and you can apply on your next purchase to get that $25 discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.